Hi! Somebody's eating something, and it's not a cookie, and it's not. I had a banana before I came. I only had a couple of those 2 little Rolos, and I dipped my hand in the whipped cream. Not my hand, just my finger.
I had to have something to eat before we start.
Yes, and what is it?
Black bottom banana cream pie. Hey, everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Black bottom banana cream banging pie.
Black bottom.
Wait, do it again.
Black bottom. Right?
Get some more food in you, you act normal. I won't get yelled at for melting all the chocolate.
The reason why it's called a black bottom is because I'm going to smear this whole bottom of this pie crust with some semi-melted ganache. Oh, yes.
What do you mean? What does smearing mean?
Watch, I'm smearing. Smear.
Holy schmears.
Holy smearing.
What's a smear?
Right there. Yeah, just that. It is a word.
Schmear. Is it on Wikipedia?
Yeah, check it out. S-C-H-M-E-A-R. Schmear it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side because I have to... Ooh, this set is a little bit crampy for this type of thing.
Yeah, we're outside filming today in the front because of all the bees in the back.
Okay, what I have here is Crumb Boss recipe vanilla custard.
Oh, it's amazing.
Okay.
It's heaven.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's
and then
divine.
to this, I'm going to add the rest of the banana that I didn't eat. All right. And
I love bananas. I eat them every day. You're going so fast. Oh, cool! I never saw you chop like that.
Really?
Yeah. And
Oh,
what?
cool.
That's your 50-cent knife.
Yeah, right.
Wait, go do it. Wait, do it again. That's cool. Hold on. Look at, hiya. Look at Crumb Boss. That's cool. That's so cool.
Gotta be fast at Crumb Boss Factory. Was it?
I want to try. There'll be blood squirting all over the place.
All right. So I mean, use as many as you want. I'm just making one small pie, so 1 to 2 bananas is really fine. And I'm just gonna smear that around in there.
That's called smearing. This is called schmearing. There's a big schmear difference.
Yeah.
And the person who's filming is called a schmuck.
That's right. No.
Smearing, schmuck, and what is it? Smearing?
Yeah.
And what's that?
I don't know. I'm just mixing it. All right. So we're gonna then put the custard on top of our black bottom.
Okay.
Just like that.
It's a black bottom banana cream pie.
Oh, where's my spatula?
Right here.
The blue one. Hold on.
Oh, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're making black bottom banana cream pie made by the Crumb Boss. That's the pie crust that you're looking at with the vanilla custard and the chocolate ganache made by the Crumb
What
Boss.
you're going to need, first of all, is your pie shell. Optional to do the black bottom. If you leave it out, then it's just a regular banana cream pie. But I think it's fabulous with the chocolate in there. So then I'm doing that. You get it all nice to the edge, just like that. I've gone ahead and I've whipped up some whipped cream.
That's good.
If you guys want to whipped cream for a topping, go to How to Make Whipped Cream with the Crumb Boss, okay? And you'll learn how to do that.
But these are really good videos, and everybody's making it, and then you share the stuff on Facebook.
Yeah.
And then it's like, who can outdo who?
All right, so I just do it like this.
Oh my God, it's gigantic.
Right? So you've got a layer of chocolate ganache, a layer of banana custard, another portion of whipped cream on the top. This is pretty much how we do it for the store.
How many cakes and pies do you make a year? Would
Oh
you
my
say?
God, I have no idea.
We should have a contest next year. Count how many cakes, cookies, and pies the Crumb Boss makes on average.
Now you guys feel free to decorate as per your option. Whatever you want to do is fine. Where's my pastry bag? So I'm just showing you how we do it here at the store.
Yes.
Put a little bit of whipped cream in my pastry bag so that I can make some rosettes for the top of my pie.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
With the famous 824 star tip that everybody is looking for. We're going to start selling those soon because nobody can get them.
Yep, don't worry, we'll come through for you.
Alright, little rosettes here. And what I like to do on top of those rosettes, I have taken some dried banana chips that you guys can get probably at your local supermarket, if not a like a health food store or something. I've dipped them into some chocolate. Oops, I may have one short. Did Steph eat one of these?
No, I didn't. I didn't.
I'm short one. Anyway, theirs would be one going there.
I didn't eat it. No, I didn't eat it at all.
So what I would do here now to represent, if a customer was buying this in the store, so that they would know that there is chocolate in this pie, I would garnish the bottom of this with chocolate cake crumbs rather than the vanilla cake crumbs.
Oh, okay, so then that would be a black bottom pie.
Exactly. If I didn't do the black bottom to this, I would then just garnish it with some of the vanilla cake crumbs, and it would be all just vanilla. I am going to take some vanilla cake crumbs now and garnish the top of it.
Oh God, it's beautiful. It's amazing. It's amazing.
And that's how easy it is to make a black bottom banana cream pie, guys.
Yeah, black bottom banana cream pie.
All you have to do is have all your base recipes ready.
Hold it up. Yeah.
Pie shell, ganache for the black bottom, vanilla custard with bananas inside, and then whipped cream.
Yeah.
And there you have it.
Crumb Boss.
Crumb Boss.